Hi, everyone. Today, we're seeing a significant shift in our local housing market here in San Diego that's starting to favor buyers more than we've seen in a long time. Comparing today's dynamics to last year, we have a higher amount of homes coming on the market for sale each and every day, similar to buyer interest levels, and notably, it's taken longer for homes to sell. This slowdown is definitely good news for buyers, not so much for the average seller. I'm Z with the McT Real Estate Group, and I wanted to go over several things. Imagine yourself walking or leisurely biking in the park, and the path is clear and you're riding smooth. Everything's going great. You're keeping pace and you're enjoying our weather that we have here in San Diego. It's always sunny, except for those few rainy days, but most of the time the weather's amazing. Suddenly, you come across a section of path that's under construction, and you reduce your speed and you navigate carefully because it's bumpy. Well, this change mirrors the situation for sellers right now. Not too long ago, they were effortlessly gliding through the seller's market. Now, they're facing a more challenging landscape that requires caution and slower progress, indicating a market that has shifted towards a greater balance. And understand, I'm not saying that we're in a full buyer's market, because that's not the case. We're still seeing homes that are priced right from the start, and we're receiving multiple offers and selling quickly. We just received 11 offers on a property that we put on last week here in South Park, and it went well over the list price. Let's take a look at the current market conditions. There's been a rise in the number of homes for sale in San Diego, with an increase from 2,611 up to 4,476 compared to last year. That's a growth of 71%. And currently, homes are staying on the market for, I'd say, about 72 days before they're sold, an increase from 42 days last year. This slower pace has resulted in price reductions, with 34% listings reducing their prices. Demand has remained relatively stable compared to last year, with only minor fluctuations. The most sought out properties are typically the ones that are around $750,000 to $1 million. There is still great demand for these properties. And here are a few financial insights. The interest rates on mortgages, they've gone down from 7.5% in April to around 6.75% today, giving buyers more of a buying power than they did before. For instance, a buyer that could previously buy a house that was at $895 can now buy a home that's priced at $965 without changing their payment. The lower interest rates also translate into long-term savings. With $1 million now costing less each month, buyers could save about $5,000 a year. And what does this mean for sellers? Well, with more homes coming on the market daily and longer selling times, setting the price, the asking price right now is super important. Let's go over the inventory trend. The active inventory right now has increased by 5% in just the past 2 weeks, reaching the highest point since August of 2022. Despite the rise in listings, the ease of mortgage rates is giving buyers more breathing room. It's creating a more favorable buying environment, potentially boosting demands as we move into the peak of summer. And then for the luxury market, well, San Diego's luxury market is also experiencing a slowdown. Properties valued over $2 million, they're taking longer to sell, and there's been about a 10% increase in inventory, while the demand has decreased by 8%. And looking ahead, as the economic indicators like inflation and employment show signs of softening, we anticipate further reductions in mortgage rates. This will likely stimulate the market as more buyers qualify for loans and increase their purchasing power. This summer presents an ideal opportunity for buyers, possibly the best since 2022. And for sellers, the market demands patience and precision in pricing. As always, staying informed will be your key to navigating these changes effectively. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, whether you're looking to buy or sell a home here in San Diego, our team is here to help you navigate this ever-changing market. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.